My baby cook's not steaming, I don't know why, what do I do? Again, very common question for our machines. Oftentimes customers don't know where to place the water correctly, so it's a nice and easy way to walk through. So again, you want to make sure that they have their machine in front of them. They've confirmed that when the machine plugs in and they go to turn it on for the first time, that it lights up quick, beeps once. That confirms that they have power. Now, what I like to do right out of the gate for a customer who says that they're having trouble steaming is I'll ask them to, lock their bowl into place, make sure it's nice and snug. You want to push it all the way in a clockwise motion until it can't go anymore. Again, sometimes if it sits like this, feels like it's locked, it's not, and the safety mechanisms will prevent it from working. So again, lock nice and securely into place. Again, ask them to push the lid down. And then you just want to have them either, turn the knob, basically to check. Okay, now that means that we have power, everything's locked securely into place. Again, because due to the safety mechanisms, if a bowler lid was not locked into place, you would not be able to blend. So this just basically confirms that the customer knows how to lock everything into place, so that wouldn't be preventing them from steaming. So next step is you want to get them to put the water into the reservoir. So again, you want to lift up the lid arm, remove your steam gasket, unlock the bowl. Usually for testing, you can go ahead, just fill it up to water level 1. We essentially just want to make sure that the steam cycle starts going. Again, this is for our Pro and Pro 2X models. The reservoir is located underneath the lid arms. It's a small metal hole. So again, walk through the customer, have them pour the water into the reservoir. We're going to go ahead, get our bowl locked back in. Again, making sure that it's all the way. Can't, turn it any less. They would go ahead and place their steam back in. Again, for testing, this isn't required. We just want to make sure that the bowl is locked into place. We're going to get our lids pushed down. Again, nice and firm click. Latch is straight. And then we want to go ahead and have them push the button. Now, if it's going to steam correctly, the Baby logo will remain lit. The steam button will remain lit until the cycle is complete. Again, if we're testing with level 1 of water, it's going to steam for approximately 5 minutes. So at this point, you have confirmed with the customer that their machine is functional. Again, water has gone in, machine will start steaming, and again, they should start hearing a gurgling and cooking shortly. Now you see how my machine just turned off? That means that there's no water inside the reservoir. So if you have a customer that calls and says that they got it all started, they know what to do, they start the steam cycle, and after a few seconds, the light turns off and it stops, more than likely they did not put the water inside the reservoir. Again, it's another safety feature of the Baby Cook where it won't overboil, so it's only going to cook for as long as the water it has inside.